case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2017, the Supreme Court of Texas heard a case between Bartush-Schnitzius Foods Co. and Cim-co Refrigeration, Inc. that revolved around a dispute over a refrigeration system installation for Bartush's seafood dips. Both parties failed to comply with the agreement, and the jury initially awarded damages to both parties. However, the Court of Appeals reversed the decision, holding that Bartush had materially breached the contract and ordered Bartush to pay damages to Cimco. The case was remanded to the Court of Appeals to address Cimco's argument regarding insufficient evidence and the issue of attorney's fees. The Supreme Court of Texas ultimately reversed the Court of Appeals' judgment, stating that the lower courts did not render judgment in accordance with the jury's verdict. The case was sent back to the Court of Appeals in order to consider the unresolved issues.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.